Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we're going to be working with this palette. It's the Younique Addiction Shadow Palette 2. It's got a lot of very neutral colors, so it's one that you could work with pretty much every single day. Alright, now let's jump right in and get started with this look. The first thing you always want to do when putting on eyeshadow is start with a primer. This just gives us a nice smooth neutral base to start off with. And then we want to set that with some powder. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this color Cocky. It's kind of a medium brown. I'm going to get my fluffy crease brush and just go in back and forth windshield wiper motions, just blending it in. And then I'm going to come in with that same brush and get the color Peppy. It's kind of a dark gray. And same story, but we're just going to be applying that just a little bit lower, the top of the lid underneath the crease. We're going to get that same color Peppy again, but this time I'm using the crease brush to kind of darken up around the outer corner. And then I'm also applying a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line. And now moving on, I'm going to come get this shimmery silver in the color Hopeless. I'm applying it with a flat brush that I have sprayed with some rose water. You can always just use tap water too if you'd like, but it really just helps to brighten up the whole shade and it makes it look a little bit brighter. And overall, I just like the look of it better than putting it on dry. And now for the color Blissful, I'll be putting this on the inner corner, that other one we just had right there in the center. And this is going to brighten up that corner there. And then we're going to come get this bright color Romantic, and we're going to use that to highlight the brow bone. And then we're going to sweep a little bit underneath the lower lash line towards the inner corner. And then one more time with the color Peppy, I'm going to get my crease brush again and just kind of deepen up that outer corner again. So now that I've finished up on the other side, I'm going to just apply some eyeliner to both eyes. Okay, and now this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.